Today I'm going to show you how to make this motion graphics in Canva. Go to videos and open new video project. We are going to use these elements, just drag them to the design. Make them in this position and rotate this one. Select all and group. Open new page and type your text. Make space. And change the font to Anton and increase the size of the text. Copy and paste. Go to layers, send to back. Increase the size of this element. And now go to layers, show layers. Click in the background and change the color to blue and go to layers again. Select the text and choose the same color of the background. Go to effects and choose the left. Increase the little bit the intensity. Just delete this page. Duplicate and rotate. Go to layers again, show layers, select the text and drag the text. Change the color to yellow and select the text and change the color to the same color of the background. Duplicate and rotate. And make the same for the third one. Select the text and drag it, and you can decrease the size a little bit and change the color. Add transition, match and move, and increase the duration. Apply between all pages. Decrease the timing of each page. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.